Hi guys, in the previous video we learnt about distance and displacement, and finally we get into a question. So here I hope you have already tried it and you have figured it out the best right answer. Let's check whether you have got the correct answer. So here what's meant by the distance is actually we knew that always in physics goes with the definition. Just remember the definition. Don't remember how to move that, how to get this answer and how we are going to solve each steps. Don't think about that. Always remember the definition and apply the definition into any questions. So here the distance from A to B. So when we are considering about this A point to B point, actually we knew that the distance is the total path length. So here, let's say this is a human like you and me. So he's going to go from this 4 meters. So the total path length of this road is 4 meters, and after that he's going to move towards this part. It's going to be 3 meters. So the distance would be the total length we have covered. So it's going to be 7 meters. I hope you all got the same answer. So now comes the question, what's meant by the displacement from A to B? So actually we knew that when we are considering about the displacement is the shortest distance between 2 points. So here we need to, first of all, we need to mark the initial point and the ending point. So now we need to find what's the shortest distance between these 2 points. So that's the displacement. So how to find this displacement? So actually I hope you have already learned Pythagoras theorem. Otherwise, please search for any videos and learn that. So Pythagoras theorem is used to find the length of any sides of a triangle, right angle triangle. So here, let's say this is x, it's going to be x squared is equals to 3 squared plus 4 squared. So it's going to return 5 squared. So from that we can tell x is going to be 5 meter. So the length of this AB, which would be the displacement, is going to be 5 meter. I hope you have got the correct answer. But stop. Whether this is the correct answer and it is the final full answer. Can you anyone answer this? Please pause the video and think of that whether this is enough. This is the full answer for my second question. Please pause the video and think. Okay. I hope you have figured it out. Always when you are considering about the displacement, you need to actually mark the direction, otherwise it's going to be wrong. For the distance, it's a scalar, we have already learned. Scalar will only have the value, let's say that is 7 meter, the magnitude we are going to tell as magnitude. So there is only one value, that's going to be magnitude 7 meter. So here the displacement is a vector quantity, which means it's going to have a value which is 5 meter with a direction. So magnitude plus direction. So we need to give both of these quantities. Otherwise, we are not going to get the full marks. So here the displacement would be 5 meter. So in this direction. So let's say in this direction. So actually it's not enough to mark like this. So what we are going to do is, let's make it like this theta. This is theta. So from this theta we need to find actually what's the value of this theta. We can easily find it using tan value. The tangent tan theta would be 3 by 4. From this, using your calculator, you can find tan inverse 3 by 4. So here we have found out the angle. So the next part is, it's very simple. We are going to mark like this. This is theta. So when we are marking the direction, you can actually mark like this. You need to mark a line, dotted lines, and you need to mark the theta, and it's enough to leave like this. So 5 meter with this theta we have already found the value. If you want, please check over there. So that's the simple note to the paper correction. So for the teacher. So the final answer would be 5 meter. So here we can draw an arrow like this from this side, and we need to mark what's the theta. So here we have already found the theta, so you can mark like this. Theta is going to be tan inverse 3/4. It's better if you can find the value of that theta in degrees or radians. So actually you can use the calculator and find the value. So this is the final answer of this part. I hope this would be clear for you. In the next video, we are going to do another interesting question from distance and displacement. Thank you.